Is an asylum seeker the same as an illegal migrant in the UK? The short answer is no. While these terms are often used interchangeably in heated public debates, they have distinct legal meanings under UK and international law. Here is the breakdown of the differences. 1. Asylum seekers. An asylum seeker is someone who has applied for protection in another country because they fear persecution in their own. Legal status. Under the 1951 UN Refugee Convention, to which the UK is a signatory, everyone has the right to seek asylum in another country. The process: once they submit an application, they are legally allowed to remain in the UK while the Home Office considers their claim. Rights. Asylum seekers are generally not allowed to work while waiting for a decision. They receive a small allowance and basic housing provided by the government. 2. Illegal migrants or irregular migrants. The term illegal migrant usually refers to someone who is in the UK without a valid visa or legal permission to stay. This happens in a few ways. Visa overstaying, entering legally, for example, on a tourist or student visa, but staying after it expires. Clandestine entry, entering the country without going through official border controls. Failed asylum seekers, people whose asylum claims have been fully exhausted and refused, but who have not yet left the country. The grey area. Methods of arrival. Much of the confusion stems from how people arrive. In the UK, there is currently no asylum visa that allows someone to fly to London specifically to claim asylum. Therefore, many people cross the English Channel in small boats or hide in lorries to reach UK soil. The distinction. While the act of entering the UK without a visa is technically an illegal entry under recent UK legislation like the Nationality and Borders Act 2022, international law states that people should not be penalised for illegal entry if they are coming directly from a place where their life was in danger, and they present themselves to authorities without delay. The outcome? Once someone clandestinely entering the UK claims asylum, they become an asylum seeker and are legally permitted to stay until their case is decided. Summary comparison of the rights, protections and goals of asylum seekers and illegal, irregular migrants. Legal right to stay for an asylum seeker is temporary while their claim is processed. An irregular migrant, illegal migrant, has no right to stay, so they won't be housed in hotels. UN Convention protection. An asylum seeker is covered by the 1951 Refugee Convention. An illegal, irregular migrant isn't. Does an asylum seeker have permission to work? Almost never. Does an illegal migrant have permission to work? No. What is the end goal of the asylum seeker? Refugee status. What is the end goal for an irregular migrant? Usually seeking work or family reunification.